Right, good morning again. Adventures of Paul here on YouTube again. I want to say a big thank you to Time Emotion. Thank you for trying getting the dust out. Well, we did get some dust out of my PlayStation, but it is still noisy. Sounds like a bloody Hoover going around. But yeah, he was going to invite. He was going to give me another PlayStation, but I thought no. Not at the moment. So yeah, this is what the PlayStation sounds like, guys. Yeah, like I said, I want to say thank you to John, Time Emotion. Thank you for getting some of the dust out. I thought it might have helped a bit, but no, it's still noisy. But thank you, John, anyway. So I don't really play games on it much now. I only watch YouTube on it. So I'm watching a video of Rob, what you done yesterday. So yeah, I'll follow Rob, Scooby and Scooby. Hopefully meet up with him soon. But yeah, this is what the PlayStation is sounding like. But anyway guys, like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Adventures of Paul. Share, comment, like, and catch you on the next video. Bye for now.